Hi colleagues, how are you? I hope you're fine. The afternoon atmosphere, accompanied by a gentle breeze, makes it nice to enjoy the video while lying down. This time we will get acquainted with ionic bonds. What's that? Let's read the definition first. So, ionic bonds are chemical bonds that are formed due to the electrostatic attraction between positive ions and negative ions. In general, these ions have large differences in electronegativity. Look at the following atoms. The sodium atom has an electron configuration of 281. The valence electrons of sodium are 1. If we have ever watched a video about atomic stability, we can say that the sodium atom is not yet stable. To become stable, the sodium atom must lose one electron to become a Na+ ion. Now, the Na+ ion has two shells. The third shell disappears shortly after the electrons there are excited. The number of electrons in the second shell, which is the last shell, is 8 electron units. This means that the A+ ion has fulfilled the octet rule. The Na+ ion has become a stable ion. Another atom, the chlorine atom, has an electron configuration of 287. The chlorine atom has 3 electron shells. The number of electrons in the outer shell is 7. The valence electrons of chlorine are 7. The chlorine atom is also not a stable atom. To be stable, the chlorine atom must gain 1 electron to become a Cl- ion. Currently, the number of electrons in the outer shell of the Cl- ion is 8. This means that the Cl- ion has fulfilled the octet rule. The Cl- ion has become a stable ion. Now, let's look at the electronegativity data for the two atoms. The electronegativity value of the N atom is around 0.9. The electronegativity value of the Cl atom is around 3.0. If you still remember, the electronegativity value increases from left to right. The Na atom is the leftmost atom, and the Cl atom is the rightmost atom. No wonder, the difference in electronegativity between the two atoms is very large. Now, imagine in a room, there are Na atoms around Cl atoms. Naturally, the two substances will try to achieve stability. When the Na atom releases an electron, the electron is captured by the Cl atom. Both ions become stable. Is all this finished? Not yet. Now both substances have an electric charge. We know that electrically charged objects will experience electrostatic forces. For substances with different charges, the electrostatic force is an attractive force. The Na+ ion will be attracted towards the Ci- ion, and vice versa. These two ions will be at a very close distance, but they will not touch each other. You can also draw an ionic bond as two balls whose surfaces are attached. This is an ionic bond. If around the ion there are several ions, positive ions can still attract other negative ions. This process can form crystals, such as NaCl salts, where each Na+ ion is surrounded by 6 Cl- ions. And each Cl- ion is surrounded by 6 Na+ ions. Yup, Hopefully this tutorial can provide an overview regarding ionic bonds. And don't forget to watch the next video.